Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix photos and images not opening on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Type Photos, click Advanced Options. Click Repair. If same error still exists, click Reset. Restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Default Apps. Type image or photos file extension. Change to Paint, click OK. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Click Apps. Type Photos, click Microsoft.Photos. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.